What I want to show you is a way to help a loved one who may be in a facility, who may be starting to forget who you are. So I've got a little video recorded here where a daughter can speak to her mom, and her mom could have it played by pushing a button, or if that's too hard, it can go off on a time basis, or even a calendar event in her calendar. So let's just try it with a button because that's easiest to show.
Mom, here is the video from Francis. Here's your album. Remember.
Good morning, Mom. This is your daughter, Francis. Do you remember how you used to wake me up in the morning? You come into my room, you knock on the door, you come into my room, and you'd say, "Good morning, Mary Sunshine," and then you go, "It's time to get up, it's time to get up, it's time to get up in the morning." And you'd fix me a nice breakfast, you'd make bacon and eggs and toast, and Dad would be there at the little table, and my little brother Ernie, who you called Ken, and my big brother Frankie, and we'd all have breakfast together each morning. And I remember in the wintertime when it was cold outside and snow on the ground, it was nice and warm in the kitchen, and we'd all be together and we'd be talking about what we're going to do that day. Of course, Dad was a farmer, and he was already home from milking the cows in the morning. You remember how he used to have a lot of cows. And he'd come home and have breakfast with us, and then he would get ready to hop on his tractor. Good morning, Mom. This is your daughter, Francis. Do you remember how you used to wake me up in the morning? You come into my room.
As you can see, it just loops. You can set the cutoff time shorter if you want, or you could add other videos, and you can change the videos too remotely. I ran this one a bit long, I can see. It's about done. I just want you to see it auto stop.
And my little brother Ernie, who you called Ken, and my big brother Frankie, and we'd all have breakfast together each morning. And I remember in the wintertime when it was cold outside and snow on the ground, it was nice and warm in the kitchen, and we'd all be together and we'd be talking about what we're going to do that day. Of course, Dad was a farmer, and he was already home.
And then it cuts off. Now you can set the amount of time it plays. I made it a little bit long for this video, but it loops. It doesn't always start at the beginning because it's a loop, but if your loved one is having memory problems, it's probably not going to be an issue. So again, I've seen this done before where a person would put a laptop in the room, have a recorded video, ask an aide to go click on the video every day, bring the laptop over, be surcharged and log in and all that. Where this is automatic, either by the aide could touch a button, or you could do it on a time basis, or as I said, even a Google Calendar event.